have to tell you, madam, this is in considerable part your fault. You have allowed it to get to this stage.
But I've tried everything, Judge, in my power. I've cancelled cards, I've changed passwords.
Your case for this loan is completely unenforceable. However, at some point, you have to write off any of the transactions that you say Shell has made without permission. In the course of these proceedings, as part of your evidence, the only material you've been able to produce setting out things that have been purchased by Shell without your explicit consent are purchases between July and November of 2018. That is the material that you've provided the court. The total spent on cards that you can't account for is £2,196.21. Madam, do you wish to amend your application to me for me to consider a case based upon the fact that Shell has taken money from you without permission and unjustifiably enriched herself in law? Would you like me to consider that case?
Yes, Judge.
Michelle, Shell, you lent your daughter a substantial amount of money for her to complete a course. She completed that course. I'm satisfied that that may have been a loan, but it's not enforceable. There was nothing in writing. What's more, she's only just completed the course in any event. What's more, even if you had something in writing, unless you specified a precise date of when the money was to be paid, the court could have no confidence that the loan was delinquent. In other words, this might have been a loan over a very long period of time. Therefore, I dismiss your application for return of the loan out of hand. Your initial claim in this case was for £1,025, which was, you say, the £25 per week that she hadn't paid. Case is dismissed. However, during the course of the proceedings, it has emerged that on various occasions, Shell has taken money from you without permission. You took this money, you have to pay it back. This court awards you what you've been able to prove in my court today. I give you permission to amend the proceedings. This court awards you £2,196.21. Shell.
Yeah. I'm really sorry, Mum.
I need you to turn to your mum and say it.
You know I'm sorry. You know I'm sorry for everything I've done and that.
There's got to be a change.
Yeah, I know that.
And you have got to guarantee that you will never, ever take off us again.
No, I wouldn't.
You have had all the chances in the world off me and Dave.
Yeah, I have.
And now you've got this dog grooming. I want you to grow up and be a woman and go out there and show us what you're made of.
Yeah, I do.
Order of this court is £2,196.21. You, madam, are very, very lucky indeed. Different parents, different family members would have dealt with this in a very, very different way, and you would be in a very, very different court. That's the order of this court.
Thank you.
Michelle was awarded £2,196.21 for the amount taken without consent. Let's find out how both parties felt about the judge's ruling.
You're making me out to be an absolute horrible person, and you know I'm not.
You're not a horrible person, but you've took things from us without asking.
No.
That's not right.
I didn't do it to hurt anybody. That was never, ever my intention. And I did get carried away with it.
All you had to do was ask. And if even if we said no, it should just mean no, and you can't do it. At the end of the day, you know, she is our daughter, and I'm just hoping, you know, she's been up in front of the judge today, and I just hope that he's made her see sense.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.